Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate gamma exposure. Gamma exposure, or GEX, is a crucial metric that helps us understand how market makers might react to price movements in an underlying asset. It essentially quantifies the potential hedging activity of options dealers. A positive GEX often suggests market makers will act to stabilize prices, while a negative GEX can indicate they might amplify price swings. This guide will break down the steps to determine this important market indicator. To begin calculating gamma exposure, you first need to gather several key data points. This includes all relevant options contracts, both calls and puts, for your chosen underlying asset. For each contract, you'll need its specific strike price, the current price of the underlying asset, and crucially, the gamma value. Additionally, record the open interest for each option and remember the contract multiplier, which is commonly 100 for equity options. Now, let's calculate the individual gamma contribution for each option. For call options, multiply the option's gamma by its open interest, and then by the contract multiplier, usually 100. For put options, you'll do the same. Multiply the put's gamma by its open interest and the multiplier. However, remember that market makers are typically short puts, so their hedging behavior from puts often has an inverse effect on price stability compared to calls. Finally, to arrive at the total gamma exposure, you will sum up all the individual gamma contributions. First, add together all the calculated call gamma contributions. Then, sum all the put gamma contributions. The grand total of these sums gives you the net gamma exposure for the underlying asset. A positive total suggests market makers will likely stabilize prices, while a negative total indicates they might amplify price movements, offering valuable insight into potential market behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.